Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple chili garlic sauce which you can use to eat with or accompany with various dishes like dumplings, or you can use it to eat it with fried rice, noodles, anything that you want. Chili garlic sauce you can have it with. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead first and clean up my chilies and 2 pods of garlic and boil them. As you can see now, I'm cleaning up the chilies, but I am not taking out the seeds, just the stem, the back part of the chili. I'm just removing that, but I'm not de-seeding the chili because I like the heat that the seeds will give when it's cooked. If you do not want it very spicy, you can take off the seeds. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my chilies and garlic. I've taken about a 1/4 cup of water and I'm going to add synthetic vinegar, 1 cup. Just enough to cover up the chilies, because this will give you a nice sour taste. I'm also going to add one and a half teaspoon of salt. The salt quantity is a little high, so that the salt acts as a preservative so that my chili sauce does not spoil so fast. Now I'm going to get this to a boil. Also I'm going to add is two teaspoons of normal granulated caster sugar, and I'm going to also add around half a teaspoon of MSG, that's monosodium glutamate, or you could call it as Chinese salt. Just around half a teaspoon, that's enough. Also, to give you a nice sweet taste, what I am going to add is half an inch of cinnamon stick. So I've gone ahead and added my cinnamon stick here, as you can see, and I've also added around 20 to 30 black peppercorn. If you have Szechuan black pepper or Szechuan pepper, you can add that instead of black peppercorn. I don't have that available right now, so put regular pepper, black pepper, around 20 to 30 peppercorns. And I'm going to now boil this till the chili softens and also a little bit of liquid reduces. Alright, so I'll get back to you once it's done. So what I've done now is emptied my chilies and the garlic into my mixing pot or the mixing jar, and I'm going to blend this. Keep in mind, I'm not going to make it a fine paste. I'm going to coarsely blend it so the seeds can be seen. So here you go. I've gone ahead and blended my chilies. You can see it's coarsely blended. It's not very fine. Okay, let's move on to the next step now, which is cooking it. So I've taken a wok and I've added oil. Next I'm going to add is my chili and garlic paste. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of oil, so because I want to preserve my sauce. And of course it's a sauce, it's not food. It's not a side dish that you're going to eat it like this. It's just a little bit that you're going to serve your food with. So it's okay to add a little bit more oil. It helps in preserving your sauce. So go ahead and fry this for some time, and my chili garlic sauce will be ready. Okay, so I'm going to now fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes before I turn off the gas. Be right back then. I've just tried the sauce a little. It needs a little bit more of seasoning, so I've added a little bit more salt. And I'm also going to add white sauce. White sauce is nothing but white soy sauce. I would light soy sauce. Just about 2 teaspoons, just to flavor my sauce. Look how lovely it looks now. Alright then, I'm going to now get back to you once it's completely cooked. So here you go. My chili garlic sauce is ready. Look how vibrant and red it is. If you like my recipe, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also ensure that you press the like button if you like the recipe. And don't forget the bell icon, because that's the only way that you will get notification about my next recipe. I'm sure you will love this way of cooking my chili garlic sauce. Do try it once and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.